ọmọjọ kò lè níyàwó méjì ń bí.
àti pé kò tí ẹ lè dúró ìwàásù mi iná ni ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run iná ni àlégbà sá nígbà tí mi ò ní ìdòwò ẹ àwọlé ní Sunday ìwọ mú 20,000 dání èmi tún mú 200,000 dání so bó ṣe fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé mo kówó jẹ ni mi ò mọ̀ kì í ṣe mo fẹ́ rú bọ́ọ̀sì tó kẹ̀bọ̀ jẹ ni but àwọn ẹni tí bàbá wọn ti kọ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn akágàn tọ́wọ́ wọn lé sí wọn lè rí nǹkan kan gbọ́ ní èèyàn kò lérò ohunkóhun àbí kò ṣe pé ó gbà látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run John 3:27 so àní jẹ́ kó dúró torí kò sí mọ̀tà lè ṣe ilé ẹ lórí tó lè yọ wàá parọ́ wàá lu jìbìtì wàá jẹ́ owó so àfẹ́ lọ́dún yìí àwọn méjì àwọn bíi mẹ́jọ ní December till now tó ń fún admission lọ sí Canada America ipa tí agbára ìtìjọ ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí constitution wa ọ̀fẹ́ nìkan 500.
báwọn ọmọ ọjọ́
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n kàn máa lọ ìbátá lè ṣe ní láìfún mi but àwa la máa fẹ́ bí pé ẹni tó wá láti Abẹ́òkúta ń sìn wọ́n bí títí tí wọ́n kó tó wọn kó wọn sínú tipa Abẹ́òkúta lè báyọ̀ sùnkú then tó bá dẹ̀ tó lọ sí Ondo state kẹ̀lé tó má ti tú jajá ayé tó náà ṣe wọ́n jòkó ìyàwó kékeré wọn lọ súnlé bí wọn lọ súnlé Bíbélì sọ pé ẹni tó bá lè ṣe déédéé wà láàrin wọn sí bó ṣe ń bèrè yín sọ lè jẹ́ ọmọ kẹrìnlá ló jẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ mọ́ mi but it's okay. A man traveled from Delta ó lọ sí Second World War nígbà tó lọ sí Second World War the man fought gallantly. The father is a traditional man. So when he came back, then the wife received the husband. He was so happy. So when he now get home, he prepared ukodo. That's our native soup in Delta. Ukodo, everything. So the man finished eating. Then he now put his wrapper on and went to bed. Then when it was around 10 minutes to 12, the man wanted to climb the wife. Then the boy, Jumbu, that was sleeping on the floor, just jump up. Daddy, don't kill mommy the way you kill somebody. You know, you were telling us story. How you kill somebody in the war front. And daddy, she mommy, be careful for daddy. You know, daddy just came from war. So, but then the man was calm. When it was around 10 minutes to 4 again, he was thinking those boys had slept. So he make an attempt again to climb the woman. The boy said, Daddy, you never listen to us. What is your problem? Why don't you go and test wrestling outside? Why do you want to wrestle with mommy? Only sorry, Godwin. And if you raise your voice there, Godwin, I will slap you. Baba, you see, to you miss I can miss the cage. Yàrá kan iná. Ara dẹ̀ ti wà lọ́nà wà pẹ̀lú. Ara ẹ̀ wá lẹ̀ padà. So káwọn ọmọ yẹn tó dé láti school. Màmá yẹn ní kò sí kan tá a máa ṣe. Wọ́n á lọ mú ìró wọn méjì. Ìró mẹ́ta wọn á so wọ́n rán. Kò lọ sọ́dọ̀ télọ̀ kíákíákíá. So wọ́n fi ṣe cutting. They cut that room into 2 rooms. So bẹ́ẹ̀dì wọ́n wà lẹ́yìn cutting bí. Alẹ́ yẹn á lè tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀. So bàtọ́ dẹ̀ tó yàrá pé kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ kí ọmọ àṣetánì wà náà ọmọ téèyàn bí. So bọ́dẹ̀ ṣe tún alẹ́ ọjọ́ kejì ọjọ́ àná ti fail. Kẹ̀kẹ́ kan tó ń rò nínú plane kan fi gbé wá láti Germany. Bó ṣe tún ní kó ń gun orí ọmọ ìyá yẹn lọ dáàdì. But dáàdì mommy, we are warning you. Ọmọ yìí ti tún jarun pa ọwọ́ ẹ̀kan wà nítorí wọn. So bí ìyẹn wá ní Cecilia, this boy be like say get wish. He need deliverance. It's okay. I said, well, day break. That's something we could do. Nígbà tó ti ọjọ́ kẹta. He said we are going to use vinegar on them. We need to kill them. And we'll give them sleeping drug, they will sleep. So, and then we'll go for William 20, William 5. And that night was right. So you see now, if you talk, say, you get brain, I get brain, I see. So then, Jumbo now, when they were eating Ukodo on the table, only that, I saw you yesterday when you were climbing mommy, but I don't, now mommy getting body, if you don't want to listen, make it not listen. You just carry the money, go and get room at the palace. So they now lock those boys in one parlor. They made parlor for them. So they locked the room. So that's how they got their freedom. To come to your question, it's not right for somebody to marry underage. When you look at the book of Genesis 5 from verse 16, 17, 18, 19, he said when Gad was 450 years old, he begat a girlfriend. 400 and what? Okay. If you are a brilliant pilot, a brilliant child, to think about a woman will be the last thing on the scale of preference. Last thing. But dull like foolish people, they got married early. His family that will tell you it's time for you to marry is different in this our time. Because everybody's now dog. They have dog parts. So you can't defend that, and it's a bad thing to do. Because when you get good education after graduation, is to look for a job. After looking for a job, take good care of yourself. Then after taking care of yourself, pull your family out of trouble. Then later, take one of your brother. Then after finishing one of your brother, then when you finish one of your brother, then you can think about wife. But now, after graduation from NYC, his 7 girlfriend that will come on with you. Because he said in the book of 1 Samuel, Isaiah 1, Isaiah 2, Isaiah 3, he said at the tail end of life, 7 women will be clicked to one man. And that's what's happening. Now, according to the war in Syria, everywhere in Russia and everything, this year is going to be 300 women to one man. Now they said they could be open prison in Ghana, everywhere, so that prisoners can come out and be doing the sexing machine. The urge for the sex is too much. But when there was time of when they have HIV, it slowed down those things. But now they don't want to care. So, what is on it? So thank you, my brother. It's a bad thing. It's a bad thing to learn. Gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run lè dáríjì yàn. Kíkọ́ náà máa kú sí. Nígbà tẹ́mi tí ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ẹ́dá mẹ́rin tó ti sáré lọ, you are now first on the track. O sáré rí. Kéèyàn máa gba kó gba 100 meter. Go! O dẹ̀ gba first. Oh, you said, I could remember we had 2 green jersey. Me and 1 Nigerian. Let me find out if Nigeria make it. When you turn your eyes back to bring the eye front again as a spinster, you can't make first, you can't make third again. So you don't need to wait for them. Only one year, apaye lo. Only a mafia àdúrà ra ìgbà padà gbogbo ọjọ́ lábẹ́ ọ̀run. Romans 8, Romans 9, and Romans 10. He said, only bí àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì bá dàbí yanrìn tí òkun. Only díẹ̀ náà máa gbàlà. Ṣé o pé kò sí Muslim lọ́run? Kò sí Christian lọ́run? Kò sí Sisi lọ́run o? Kò sọ́kùnrin lọ́run o? Ọmọ yìí ò dọ́run ibi náà ti dá o? Kò sí lọ́run o? Dẹ̀kọ̀ tó wà lábẹ́ yìí kò sí lọ́run o? Nínú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ lolúwa bèrè. So then oníyàwó méjì is going to be a detraction. Okay, wọ́n lọ àwọn tó ọmọ wọn lọ lóyìnbó yẹn sìn. Kí wọ́n jó níyàwó méjì. Ṣé church máa tún wọ́n 1 billion yẹn lọ sí padà? Kò lè possible. Go work. Kò lè ṣeé. Ó máa affect àwọn kan tó kù. Ọmọ ojú méjì ọkùnrin àti obìnrin. Lẹ́yìn kí ló tó kù lẹ́yìn ìdọ̀tí. Nítorí pé ìwà burúkú ló fi máa wọn abẹ̀rù. Òyìnbó máa ń bẹ̀yọ kan. Òyìnbó máa ń bí méjì. Òyìnbó á sọ fún mi because Vivian has 2 boys, I won't go put to bed again. Ìyàwó ọmọ mi kan wà ní New Jersey. He said he has to part with my son because he didn't want to go. He didn't want to born because his sister has 2 boys and he will give him 1. Understand? But àwa la máa fẹ́ bí pé ẹni tó wá láti Abẹ́òkúta ń sìn á bí títí wọn kó tó wọn kó wọn sínú tipa. Abẹ́òkúta lè báyọ̀ sùnkú. Then tó bá dẹ̀ tó lọ sí Ondo State kẹ̀lé tó má di tó jajá ayé tó náà ṣe ìwọ́n jòkó. Ìyàwó kékeré wọn lọ súnlé bí wọn lọ súnlé Bíbélì sọ pé ẹni tó bá lè ṣe déédéé wà láàrin wọn sí. Bó ṣe ń bèrè yìí sọ lè jẹ́ ọmọ 14 ló jẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ mọ́ mi ẹ̀. But it's okay, but Ọlọ́run á fún wa ṣe ṣá. Isaiah 25:10 kó ló wá yọ ìbòjú yẹn kúrò. Then Isaiah 54-6 we should remember. Then Psalm 89 verse 19. Then Psalm 5. Jeremiah 5:10. Ó ní láàrin àwọn èèyàn ká ti wà.